Oswald book, sample paper, maths, class 10th, standard, self-assessment paper 2, part A, section 1st, question number 1. What is the SCF of 3525? In this problem, we have to find the SCF of 3025. So firstly, we will factorize 3025. So prime factor of 3000 will be 3000 is divisible by 2. So 2 1 are 2, 2 5 are 10 and 0 0. This is divisible by 2. 2 7 are 14, 2 5 are 10 and 0. Again 2, 2 3 are 6, 2 7 are 14 and 2 5 are 10. Then now it is divisible by 3. 3 1 are 3, 3 2 are 6, 3 5 are 15. Now it is divisible by 5. 5 2 are 10, 5 5 are 25. Again 5, 5 5 are 25 and again 5, that is 1. So prime factor of 3000 will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 5. Now we will find prime factorization of 525. Firstly, it is divisible by 3. So 3 1 are 3, 3 7 are 21 and 3 5 are 15. Now it is divisible by 5. 5 3 are 15 and 5 5 are 25. Now again it is divisible by 5. 5 7 are 35 and now 7. So prime factor of 525 will be 3 into 5 into 5 into 7. Now the SCF will be, firstly here 3 is common, so and 5 is common. Now one more pair of 5 is common, so our SCF will be 3 into 5 into 5, that is equals to 75. This is our answer. On a morning walk, three persons step off together and their step measure are 40 centimeter, 42 centimeter and 45 centimeter respectively. At what minimum distance each should walk so that each can cover the same distance in complete step? In this problem, there are three persons and their step measure are 40 centimeter, 42 centimeter and 45 centimeter. We have to find the minimum distance each should walk so that each can cover the same distance in complete step. So the minimum distance will be LCM of 40, 42 and 45. So to find the LCM, we will firstly find the prime factor. We will find prime factor of 40. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. These are the prime factorized form of 40. Then 42. 2 into 3 into 7. Now 45. 3 into 3 into 5. So the LCM will be here 2 is common from these two. Then 3 is common from these two. 5 is common from these two. Now remaining one is 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. So this will be equals to 2 की power 3 into 3 की power 2 into 5 into 7. So this will be 8 into 9 into 5 into 7. 8 9 ja 72 and 5 7 ja 35. This will be equals to 2520 centimeter. So this is our answer. Question number 2. For what value of k the roots of the equation 3x square minus 10x plus k equals to 0 are reciprocal to each other? In this problem, we have given a quadratic equation 3x square minus 10x plus k equals to 0. Here we have to find the value of k for which roots are reciprocal to each other. So let the first root be alpha and second root be 1 upon alpha because roots are reciprocal. So product of zeros will be alpha into 1 upon alpha, that is given by c upon a, that is k upon 3. So alpha will be cancelled out from alpha. So 1 will be equals to k upon 3. So from here k will be equals to 3. This is our answer. Question number 2. For what value of p will the line represented by the following pair of linear equation be parallel? 3x minus y minus 5 equals to 0, 6x minus 2y minus p equals to 0. In this problem, we have given two linear equation, that is 3x minus y minus 5 equals to 0. Comparing with standard form of linear equation a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0. a1 will be equals to 3, b1 will be equals to minus 1 and c1 will be equals to minus 5. Now second equation is 6x minus 2y minus p equals to 0. Comparing with standard form of linear equation a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0. a2 will be 6, B2 will be minus 2 and C2 will be equals to minus P. We know that two pair of linear equation are parallel when the ratio of A1 upon A2 is equals to B1 upon B2 does not equals to C1 upon C2. So putting value here, 3 upon 6 equals to minus 1 upon minus 2 does not equals to minus 5 upon minus P. Equating these two ratios. So minus 1 upon minus 2 does not equals to minus 5 upon minus P. Minus will be cancelled out. So from here P does not equals to 10. So for P other than 10, the pair of linear equation will be parallel. So our answer is P other than 10.